November 7th, 2011. What did I get done tonight? I roughed out the metal for the right side of the cart. Drilled and filed the hole for the quick connect gas line. Cut the metal panel for the gas line. Access panel. So tomorrow night I'll go ahead and pre-drill all the holes for the right side panel, and then glue and screw that to the cart. Then I'll go ahead and make my final drainage line connection to the wastewater tank. Go ahead and screw down the wastewater tank platform. And then all four sides will have the metal on it. Then I'll go ahead and start on the doors as well. And that's what I got done on November 7th, 2011.